Hey, what's up, everybody? For today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano again. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts about where we are in the market as well as where we might be heading in the near future. And just for a reference, I am using Market Cipher as my primary indicator tool. I like using Market Cipher. It has all my oscillators, all my indicators, all wrapped into one nice package. It's easy to read. If you guys would like Market Cipher, please consider using the referral link below. Anyway, let's get back into it, guys. Right now, we're looking at, the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. And as you can see, I still have up my Fibonacci retracement tool, same tool that I've been showing you guys for the past few videos. And then right now, we are trading just underneath that 0.236 Fibonacci line. Like I said, guys, I saw some more downward pressure coming in over the weekend. I'm not surprised at all by this price action for Bitcoin. We had, options close yesterday, the biggest options call and close ever for Ethereum yesterday. And we were hit by all different kinds of closes. It was the month close, it was the quarter close, it was Friday, it was the week close. So it was a banger. It was a banger as far as options goes. And all things considered, guys, we're holding up fairly well. We're still above that 31,000 range right now. We're trading at $31,350. So everything considered, not too bad. We're in Saturday. It's the weekend. We had all that stuff happen. Not too bad. Everybody's running around doom and gloom. Everybody has massive shorts in, but to be honest, we're actually not looking too bad, guys. Let me see here. The short interest, as you guys can see, this is the Bitfinex short interest chart, and just over the past couple of hours, guys, it started to taper off here. As you can see, people are starting to get out of their shorts, but starting yesterday, when the options were going to get called, guys, people they just skyrocketed with short interest. But as you can see, it's starting to taper off here. Long interest. Let's see what's going on here. It kind of dipped. Now it's starting to come back again as people are kind of realizing going into this Saturday that maybe this could go either way still. So we had a lot of long interest come in as well with those options. Tapered off obviously as the price action came down. And right now, early Saturday morning, where we are currently for Central Time here in the States, you can see that we are getting a little bit of interest, a little bit of long interest on the 1-hour chart. Probably won't be too strong, to be honest with you. Shorts are primarily, the focus right now for a lot of traders, a lot of options and futures traders. So it probably will play out for the rest of the weekend. And then Monday, hopefully we see a bounce and we can go on to greener pastures. I do think July we will start seeing a rise in the Bitcoin price. We have a lot of stuff going on, but I'll kind of touch base on those topics in the later part of the video that will kind of explain why I think we're going to be going up higher. But as of right now, guys, if we go back to the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, as you can see on the 1-hour, I'm sorry, on the 2-hour, we do have a smaller anchor wave. I like to see my anchor waves come below the 60 for me on Market Cipher. RSIs are pointing upwards. They're quite low at the moment. 22, they have been lower, but 22 is still considered low. We do have further confirmations as far as Market Cipher goes. We do have a green dot being printed. I'm not taking a position just yet because I do think that we can maybe get a better position here in the next couple of hours. But that's just me. Everything's looking okay on the 2-hour, 3-hour, starting to print what looks like might be a green dot soon. 4-hour, not so nice looking. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing in the immediate future for Bitcoin, guys, and just seeing a little bit more downward pressure before going back up to this this next Fibonacci support line at 236. Moving on to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum taking a bigger hit than anything else. Obviously, like I said, Ethereum had the biggest options call to date for the asset. So obviously it was going to get hit harder. We're finding ourselves still within that 0 to that 0.236 Fibonacci level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So, there's that. I do see us coming down maybe just a little bit more, maybe even testing this zero line, which would be just about $1,700 before finding another rally. Last time it came down to here, guys, it bounced up quite well. As you can see, look at this wick line. Look how big that wick is. But yeah, I mean, that's basically going to be the same thing as Bitcoin, guys. 4-hour looking like it's coming down for a good anchor. RSIs are pretty low right now. They have not started turning upwards, so I'm not taking a position just yet. 3-hour is going to have a double green confirming in an hour and 20 minutes. RSIs are looking like they're starting to turn up. Money flow is not looking that great, but everything else is showing that we should maybe find a floor here soon. But who knows, right? This is the weekend with everything all being considered, with those shorts and all that stuff being considered. We could go lower. We could go to the zero line. I don't see it going much further than that, to be honest with you. With everybody's negativity in the space and all their doom and gloom, I'll say it. I still don't see it. I think this is coordinated manipulation, purposely trying to shake people out. And I, for one, I'm not selling my ETH at all. You'll have to pry it from my hands. That's all I gotta say. You have to pry it from my hands. I'm not selling it. Going on to ADA. ADA is going to look exactly like ETH, maybe a little bit better. Yeah, it looks a lot better, to be honest with you, though. On the 3 hour, let me go back to the 4 hour here. You can see that we are having a retracement. We are down to this Fibonacci 236 line, holding up a lot better than a lot of other assets, though, to be honest with you. And I'll keep it short, guys. For the near future, for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and ADA, I see a little bit downward more pressure come in before seeing another rally. Again, I think July would be a nice month for all three assets, for the whole crypto space in entirety. So that's what I have going on, guys. With everything considered, not too bad, to be honest with you. With all the options, all the short interest, all the FUD, and all the narrative being pushed out there, guys, really not doing too bad. I know everybody would be like, oh no, we're going down. We're going to go down to 10K, 20K. Yeah, could happen. So what? I'll be honest with you guys. At this point, so what? So what if it does? Again, I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something about the big picture, right? I've been sharing this time and time again in every one of my videos. Even if it does, so what? Because Bitcoin has done nothing but grow over the life of its conception. This isn't even going all the way back to when it was born, just back on Coinbase, to be honest with you. But over the past two halvings, we've had much bigger drops. And right now, as you guys can see, 84, 72, and what are we at right now? Like 51, 52, something like that range. Every single time we have these drops, it's getting less and less. So what if it drops down, guys? Again, look at the big picture. When in doubt, zoom out. Anyway, not going to go too much more into that, guys. If you guys are freaking out, please try to keep a level head. Zoom out. Hopefully, it gives you guys some clarity. Hopefully, it gives you guys some more reassurance about your guys' position. This isn't financial advice. This is just advice in general. When in doubt, zoom out. I mean, it gives you a better idea of the big picture of everything, right? So, I hope you guys are doing well. Have a fun weekend. Try to not look at the charts too much. It'll drive you crazy. Just be aware. Things are where they are. And I'll see you guys on the moon later in life. See ya. Peace.